Building a financial buffer and investing are crucial steps for long-term financial stability and growth. Achieving these goals requires careful planning and discipline. Here are the first steps to set aside money for a buffer and investments. 1. Create a budget. The first thing you need to do is create a detailed budget. A budget gives you insight into your income and expenses and helps you determine how much you can save. Start by noting your monthly income, including salary, bonuses, and other sources of income. Then, list all your expenses, divided into fixed costs, such as rent, mortgage, utilities, and variable costs, such as groceries, entertainment, clothing. 2. Identify savings opportunities. With your budget in hand, you can start identifying savings opportunities. Look at your variable expenses and see where you can cut back. Maybe you can eat out less often, cancel a subscription you don't use much, or find cheaper alternatives for certain expenses. The goal is to free up extra money that you can set aside. 3. Set up a savings plan. Deciding how much you want to save each month is an important step. Experts recommend starting with 20% of your monthly income, but this can vary depending on your personal situation. The key is to set a realistic and achievable goal. Use automatic transfers to your savings account right after you get paid to ensure you save consistently each month without thinking about it. 4. Build an emergency fund. Before you start investing, it's essential to build an emergency fund. This fund acts as a financial buffer for unexpected expenses, like medical costs, car problems, or job loss. The rule of thumb is to save 3 to 6 months of living expenses. Keep this money in an easily accessible savings account so you can quickly access it in case of an emergency. 5. Research investment options. Once your emergency fund is set up, you can start investing. Investment options range from stocks and bonds to real estate and cryptocurrency. It's important to educate yourself about the different types of investments and their associated risks and returns. 6. Start investing. Begin with small amounts to get familiar with the investment process. Many online investment platforms allow you to start with low minimum deposits, which is ideal for beginners. Diversify your investments to minimize risk. This means spreading your money across different assets so you don't put all your eggs in one basket. 7. Review and adjust your plan. Financial planning is an ongoing process. It's important to regularly review your budget, savings plan, and investments, and adjust them as your life changes, such as a new job, marriage, or the birth of a child. By regularly evaluating your finances, you ensure you stay on track to achieve your goals. 8. Keep learning. Financial markets and personal circumstances are constantly changing. Keep educating yourself about financial planning and investing. Read books, take courses, and stay updated with the latest financial news. By increasing your knowledge, you can make better decisions and reach your financial goals faster. Building a buffer and investing your money requires patience and discipline, but the long-term rewards are worth it. By following the steps above, you lay a solid foundation for a stable and prosperous financial future. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this, and see you next time.